How to eat eggs for breakfast every day, healthily. Eating eggs for breakfast every day can be a healthy choice if you prepare them in nutritious ways and pair them with other wholesome foods. Here are some tips and ideas, healthy ways to cook eggs. 1. Boiled. Hard or soft-boiled eggs are simple and can be prepared in advance. 2. Poached. Poaching eggs in water keeps them low in calories and fat. 3. Scrambled. Use minimal butter or oil, and add vegetables like spinach, tomatoes, or bell peppers. 4. Omelette. Fill with veggies, lean meats, and a small amount of cheese. 5. Baked. Try baked egg dishes like frittata or egg muffins with lots of vegetables. 6. Fried. Use a non-stick pan and a small amount of healthy oil like olive oil. Pairing eggs with other healthy foods, whole grains. Serve eggs with whole grain toast, quinoa, or brown rice. Vegetables. Add a variety of vegetables to your eggs or have a side salad. Fruits. Include a serving of fresh fruit for added vitamins and fiber. Healthy fats. Avocado slices or a small amount of nuts can provide healthy fats. Sample breakfast ideas. 1. Veggie omelette. An omelette with spinach, mushrooms, and tomatoes. 2. Avocado toast with poached egg. Whole grain toast topped with mashed avocado and a poached egg. 3. Egg muffins. Baked egg muffins with bell peppers, onions, and a bit of cheese. 4. Breakfast burrito. Scrambled eggs with black beans, salsa, and avocado in a whole wheat tortilla. 5. Greek yogurt and boiled eggs. A combination of Greek yogurt with a side of boiled eggs and fruit. Tips for a balanced breakfast. Moderation. While eggs are nutritious, balance your diet with a variety of foods. Cooking methods. Opt for cooking methods that use less fat and avoid adding excessive salt. Variety. Change up your egg preparations to keep breakfast interesting and nutritionally diverse. Incorporating these ideas can help you enjoy eggs daily while maintaining a balanced and healthy diet. Do you have a favorite way to prepare eggs?